Birds and Skip. Episode 26. Upside Down Kip. Kip was standing on his head. Haha, birds fly. You very silly Kip. And I'm standing on my head, said Kip. Soon I'll be very good at it. You are doing great, said Bird. You are very good at standing on your head. I think I do it all day long, said Kip. Just then a ladybug flew by. It flew all around. That is last on Kip's foot. I was across his toe. Hey, Kip blocked. Haha, that's tickler. Kip stuck to last his blessing. Oh, he says, I'm going to fall. Boom. Kip, are you okay? Asked Bird. I'm not hurt, said Kip, but I'm not happy anymore. Why not? Asked Bird. Because I fell down, said Kip. I did stand on my head all day long. So I'm not very good at it.